Jalen Ramsey's questionable designation for tomorrow's game against the Broncos. Ramsey hasn't been with the team since Wednesday due to the birth of his second daughter. Also, Melvin Gordon ending his 64-day holdout on Thursday, and Chargers head coach Anthony Lynn said he could play tomorrow against the Dolphins. L.A. would have to place him on the active roster by 4 Eastern today for him to be eligible. Antonio Brown, meanwhile, working on a potential grievance regarding the $30 million in guaranteed money he lost out on when the Raiders cut him September 7th. The NFLPA is examining various scenarios to try to return the money to AB. For more, we welcome in our senior NFL reporter, Jeremy Fowler. Jeremy, so Antonio Brown trying to recoup his lost earnings. What are you hearing about how much he actually could get back?
Well, Jay, he's coming for it all. He's got the $30 million on the table from the Raiders, and the NFLPA is examining all possible scenarios. That includes 3 fines that he incurred while there for conduct detrimental to the team. That includes his unpaid Week 1 salary and his base salaries for 2019 and 2020. Now, I'm told that the NFLPA is not overly hopeful that they're going to get all that money back, but they're going to fight for it strategically, and they hope to recoup as much as they can for Brown, who also has the $10 million on the table with the New England Patriots that he's also going to be fighting for. And so this is something where Brown has shown some issues with conduct detrimental. He hurt the team's image with the Patriots and the Raiders, so they have license to try to keep that money. But Brown likes his fight, and so they're going to put it up and see if they can win.
All right, we'll keep an eye on that. Also, keeping an eye on this, status for a couple of Pro Bowlers up in the air for tomorrow's games. What's the latest with starting Jaguars quarterback Jalen Ramsey?
Well, the Jaguars are hopeful that Ramsey plays, to the point where they are allowing him to travel from Nashville, where he's there for the birth of his child, to Denver for the Broncos game if he has to. By any means necessary, Ramsey can get there. Also, the team plane leaves in a few hours. Ramsey is welcome to be there, but they have got no clarification yet on exactly what he's going to do. The back issue, the flu, the birth of the child, maybe not looking good. And then you have Melvin Gordon. He's a player who showed up in phenomenal shape despite a 60-plus day holdout. So he has a chance to play, but likely a game-time decision. The problem is Justin Jackson, the backup, got hurt. He was in a walking boot this week, which sort of elevates the need for Gordon. They're playing the Dolphins, so they weren't going to rush him back, thinking he could be the bell cow for Week 5. It appears the dynamic is now changing.
Gordon, by the way, averaged a career-best 5.1 yards per carry last season. Jeremy Fowler with the latest.